Good morning. How are you all doing today? It's Kylie here, your energy healer and mindset coach. Um, I I wanted to come on and share a bit about my process today. So I had some today, in case you don't know it, is the new moon, and it's a new moon in Virgo, which is all about service and loving service. And Virgo is very grounded, very organized. If you have a Virgo friend, you'll know that they generally like to organize the world around them. Um, but yeah, so today is a new moon, and I have been getting more and more aware of the new moon. I've always been very strongly affected by the full moon, but I certainly have been having some very interesting dreams. I do a lot of processing and like sorting out, resolving stuff in my dreams. So I've had some very interesting dreams in the lead up to today, and I just thought I'd share with you part of my process, what I've been doing. So I have been creating a new vision board over the last few weeks. I did it a few weeks ago and made a video about it here to show you how to do the that in Canva. So I did a vision board for a relationship. Now I have been on my own for, gosh, like over 6 years, probably nearly 7 years since I separated from my last relationship. And I have not been interested at all in having another relationship. I mean, I did date someone for a little while in that time, but yeah, like I really have had to spend the last time healing and recovering from that relationship and unpacking it and processing it. And it's interesting, even with all of the energy work and therapy and self work that I do, there still is this thing about the half life of a relationship, which I know when someone shared that idea with me, I very much rallied against it. That, it takes you really about half as long as the life of the relationship to truly get over it. And I was just like, there's no way I'm going to speed that up because I'm not going to waste that much time. I was with my last partner for 13 years. Um, but here I am, nearly 7 years later. Oh, life is hilarious, isn't it? So I created a beautiful vision board. It's very, I love it. Looking at it makes me feel really, um, makes me feel good. It makes me feel soothed and calm to look at it actually. And today, what I did was I actually did a list. I used to do this when I was younger, and when I met my last partner, he really did tick off a lot of things on my list. Things that were important to me at the time. Now I have different points that are important. So I have created a list, and literally, I haven't done this for probably 20 years, Like, I mean, I think I might have done a draft one when I first separated, as in, like, I must not forget about, like, I mustn't remember to put that on my list because, there's obviously differences which led to the separation. But I've let that list go because that was all part of that time. I have a new list which has been 7 years in the making, and when I read it as well as look at my beautiful vision board, I feel really good. I feel really safe. Um, I feel inspired, and that is the energy that I want to bring into my next relationship. That trust, that faith, that knowingness, that enoughness, and yeah, this is the garden of my relationship that I'll be growing, watering, loving with my intention and love and acknowledgement. So that is where I'm going to be placing my energy for my intimate relationship. I'm in no rush to start a new relationship because I've got interesting things to be doing with my life right now. However, I would love to have a life companion, and so I am going to start to call that person in to my life. So I thought I'd share that with you. The other thing that I'm going to do is keep my rose quartz, my beautiful rose quartz, which has been on my altar for the last year probably. And it's next to my sacred yantra. So it's all part of my manifesting um, practice. So I'll be keeping that part of my vision board on my altar with my rose quartz, and I'll probably add to that and create a little space for this to be the sacred container for the vision of my relationship. So the new moon, it's tonight. What would you like to call in? Because this is the time for seeding your intention. This is seeding your vision. What would you what are you hoping to create in the months and years to come? And where would you like, what garden are you building that you would like to water with your love and your attention? If you'd like to share, please share in the comments below. Otherwise, feel free to send me a DM. I'd love hearing about people's intentions and yeah, I like to, yeah, I love sharing that because it's such a powerful way to live when you do set intentions and you're working on your intentions with consciousness and awareness. So that's it from me. I hope you have a beautiful day, beautiful week, and enjoy the new moon energy. It feels very loving and soft and gentle, and for me that's absolutely perfect for seeding the intention for calling in my beloved. Okay, have a beautiful day. Bye.